I'm Deb Teasdale, and thank you so much for joining the third short video on top tips to support you during your pregnancy and if you're experiencing any form of pelvic girdle pain. You may have already noticed your discomfort has been aggravated by being in one position for too long, whether that is laying, sitting or standing. So moving regularly is really important to ease your symptoms and stop you getting stiff. On video 2, we talked about some exercises. The tummy brace and pelvic tilt can be utilised regularly throughout the day to help you move from different positions.
Let's start in sitting. You need to be really well supported, and quite often sofas can be quite soft and squidgy and therefore not as supportive as they could be. So it's really important you have plenty of towels and cushions to support you to make sure your posture is good. Your bottom needs to be right at the back of the chair and your feet should be right up flat on the floor. As you can see, my feet are not flat on the floor, so popping a small cushion just underneath your feet will help raise that up and give you more support. Also, popping a small towel, rolled up towel, into the small of your back can also encourage good posture. Try and avoid crossing your legs and rotating your legs, as this can place more pressure down through one side of the pelvis than the other. When moving from sitting to standing, it's really important you get your pelvis moving first. So we're going to tilt our pelvis forward and back. Then we're going to place one foot slightly in front of the other, and we're going to engage those tummy muscles. So bring those tummy muscles in, hands on your chair, push up and engage those muscles into a standing. When standing, think about your posture. Engage those tummy muscles. Tuck your bottom in and stand nice and tall, and ensure equal weight through both feet. It's really important when you're doing any form of bending or lifting that you use your tummy muscles and your leg muscles. So what we recommend is if you place your feet hip width apart, one foot slightly in front of the other, and when you bend down, you're going to come gently down. You can even place one knee gently on the floor. Your load is in front of you. Ensure that this is not too heavy for you. You're going to gently pull it in towards you, and then you brace that tummy, and then you're going to stand up. When carrying shopping bags, ensure they're not too heavy and that the weight is distributed equally between both sides. Which is why wearing a small rucksack instead of having one handbag is much better, because the weight is distributed through both sides of your body rather than the one side. Placing a pillow between your legs can help support your pelvis, and having a little rolled up towel placed underneath your tummy can help support your bump. Turning over in bed can be quite problematic and uncomfortable for you. So what we'd recommend is, instead of turning over onto your back, is if you come up onto all fours, get rid of your pillows, keeping your legs together, you basically just need to turn around the other way and lay back down that way. Alternatively, you could sleep at the other end of the bed. To do this, you would need to get up into a sitting position. To get from lying to sitting, start in a side lying position. You can start by just gently doing some pelvic tilting to get that pelvis moving. Engage your tummy muscles, remove the pillow, let your legs flop over the side of the bed, and use your arms to push yourself up into sitting. Grab your pillow, bring it to the other end of the bed, using your hands, come back down onto your side and lift up your legs.
Getting in and out of the car can sometimes increase your discomfort. So the best thing you can do is to pop a plastic bag on your seat. If you can Place your legs on the back of the car so you can feel the car behind you. Reach back with your hands and sit into the car. And then swivel, keeping your legs together, into the car. Just make sure you take that plastic bag out before you drive off. Getting out of the car is the exact reverse. So once again, keep your legs together and then you're going to just swivel around. Use your hands to help you get up. Heat can be relaxing and also ease your discomfort. So you can use a hot water bottle and put some nice warm water in it, or you can even sit in a nice warm bath. Also, paracetamol can be quite helpful if you're really struggling to manage your pain. It is safe to use during your pregnancy.